In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a build in Unity, which is relatively simple. So here I have a little example scene, and when I hit play, all it really does is when I hit the spacebar, this cube, which represents my player, just pops in the air. That's it. Pretty simple. To make a build of this project, I go to File, Build Settings, and then up here there's this area called Scenes in Build. I want to take the scene that I want to be in my game, so it's this visual scripting example scene, and I'm going to drag that into my Scenes in Build here. If your game had multiple scenes, like a main menu or an options menu or multiple levels, you'd add them all here. This selection area here on the left is what kind of build you're making, and I just want to make a regular Windows PC build, so I'm going to leave this one selected. These settings, by default, all look pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Build. It'll then ask me where to put this, so just for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to put it right here on my desktop. I'm going to call it Example Build. I'm going to select that folder. Now Unity will take a second to make the actual build, and then we'll take a look at what files it outputs. Here's the output of my build. It outputs an executable file, as well as this other crash handler, a DLL, and then a couple data folders here. The data of your game is stored within this example project underscore data. So example project is the name of my project. So the data for it is stored here. The executable example project.exe, this is the actual game. If I double click this thing, then I will actually run this thing full screen. Check it out. And now I hit space. There's my player jumping. So this is what I would send to my friends or upload on Steam or anything else along those lines. Now as the last note, you have to send everything. So it's not just this executable, it's also the data folders along with it. So if I want to send this to someone else, I'd have to send them everything within this example build folder.